Brain AI Teaching Tool, Video Explanation. Title, 3D DNN Structure, Learning Layers Like a Brain. Film frames what the video shows. The animation rotates a 3D bar chart where each vertical bar represents one layer of the DNN. The height of each bar equals number of neurons in that layer. The x-axis shows the progression of layers from input to output. A rotating camera lets students view the architecture from multiple perspectives. Magnifying glass tilted left breakdown of layers in the chart. Layer name neuron count example. Input layer 5 neurons vision, sound, touch, smell, taste, sensory input. Hidden layer 1 to 425 neurons abstract processing, feature detection, pattern recognition. Output layer 3 neurons actions like, move, speak, react, decision layer. Graduation cap educational benefits with real-life analogies. Concept what students learn real-world example. Input layer accepts raw data, like human senses, seeing a traffic light, red. Hidden layers internal thinking or transformation brain processes color, context, memory. Output layer produces decision or action car stops automatically, AI-based brake system. Neuron count affects model complexity more neurons equals better learning, but slower processing. Bluebook example teaching script. Imagine each bar is a part of the brain. The input side collects senses like vision or sound. The tall middle layers are where deep thinking happens like recognizing faces or traffic signs. Finally, the last bar makes a decision like stop or speak. The rotation helps us see that AI isn't just left to right, it's spatial, layered, and deeply connected. Brain use in classrooms. Man-teacher for teachers. Great for explaining architecture of DNNs. Used to introduce concepts like forward pass, overfitting, model size. Student for students. Helps visualize neurons as real units rather than abstract math. Supports exam prep for topics like describe the structure of a DNN. Why do deeper networks need more data? Sparkle suggested exam questions. 1 MCQ. What does a taller bar in the 3D DNN teaching tool represent? A. More layers. B. More inputs. White heavy checkmark. C. More neurons in that layer. D. Higher output values. 2. Descriptive. Explain how hidden layers in a DNN transform raw data using the AI teaching tool as reference. 3. Application. Using the teaching tool, describe how an AI model can classify handwritten digits. Thanks for watching.